Hi, welcome back to the second outline of Section 2, Structure of Research Conduct. We have stopped in the previous introductory into a graphical presentation. We have seen that the starting point, which represent the research problem. And in this outline, what we want to do, we want to find an official name to these two lines. It's known as an inductive and deductive. You see, the definition of inductive and deductive, it's quite intuitive in the language itself. So you induct something, it seems like you start something from the very beginning. You deduct something, it seems like you build up on what is known. Let's go ahead and explore the exact image in a much more formal way. In the first line, I would like to say that inductive is making inference, which is the final product, based on observation, often a sample. In deductive, it's making inference, the final product, based on a widely accepted fact or premises. Now, these are an academic definition of the meaning of inductive and deductive structure of conducting a research. Now, if you look carefully to these definitions, it's exactly what we were seeing in the previous graph. Now, I put this in a better way in academic presentation instead of using my own imagination of a drawing. If you look at the left-hand side here of this graph, I start to observe something, right, whatever it is. And then I start to describe it. Then I start steps of analysis. And then I will reach out to some kind of results. And based on that, I will theorize what I have observed. Now I have what's so known as a theory. The actual second path of this line, it says that if I take this theory and it become available to the public, this is what the people know, you will consider this theory as your hypothesis. We will discuss further details on the meaning of hypothesis in the following sections. But for now, this theory, it becomes the hypothesis of existence. Then you, of course, construct a research based on this hypothesis. You start to observe and you come up with a result to reject or to fail to reject this hypothesis. Now, this line here, it is what inductive, and this line here, it is what deductive. I hope now this visual presentation in a formal and informal way have given you the idea of the meaning of inducting or deducting, and you have to understand your standing point. Are you inducting a research or are you deducting a research? Both of them is a form of conduction, but your conduction, is it inductive or deductive? Or in the second outline, a very popular problem when your subject is a human subject, and that's called a subject reaction. We'll see you then.